Going guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to put ear tips on a Plantronics 5200. So you'll get a bag like this when you purchase it off our website, and you get this foam piece that goes on top which prevents it from hurting your ears. Let's go ahead and put the foam piece on top. Just work your way around. Don't pull it too much because you will rip it. Should fit on just like that. So grab your Plantronics, flip it sideways. You can bend it down, flip it sideways, and you'll see the two knobs. Stick those two knobs in and turn to the right, and that'll make it in so it doesn't come out. So once you want to take it out, you go quarter of a turn to the left, back to the left, and pull it out. It'll stop. And that is how you install ear tips on a Plantronics 5200. Thank you.